In this video, I'm going to show you how I used Novamira MCP and Claude AI to remove malware from my website that had lived there for 8 years without me knowing. And that is not because there was a password leak, not because of an outdated plugin, not because that someone comment spammed on my website, but it's because of a WordPress feature that almost every website uses. So let's get started. Well, it started by my hosting provider sending me this email where they were informing me about a critical security matter related to my website. And of course, their malware detection system said that they identified an injection in my application, which is my website. So they suspected it to be simply an injection of malware or SEO spam. And simply that's all they said. And now my first instinct was, did someone hack into the admin panel? Or did a plugin get compromised? Or did a commenter inject something through the comment form? Well, I had no idea. So the question is, how do I do this? I'm not a security expert in WordPress. I don't know how to fix security issues within WordPress. I didn't even know where to start. So I opened Claude and connected it to my website using a tool called Novamira. Well, if you don't know Novamira, Novamira is like a bridge that connects your website, your WordPress website in this case, to any AI client that you use. For example, Claude, if you use Gemini, if you use like Codex, so that you're able to write in plain English in your AI, and those instructions are sent to your WordPress website. So if by there you want to check it out, it's an amazing plugin. I've linked it down in the description of this video. So since now Novamira has direct access to my WordPress dashboard, I just asked it to basically scan my website for malware. And well, Claude ran a full database scan, and within seconds, it found 3 malicious iframes in the database. And all those malicious iframes were pointing to external websites. So they were basically 1 pixel iframes. You could not see it if you visited the website, but actually Google can see it. And if your website is panelized, in the search console, they'll put there something like your website needs some manual action so that you can clear, whatever Google is telling you. So this malware had been sitting on this website, silently running for over 8 years. The question is, was it comment spam? Was it an insecure plugin? Did someone log into the admin panel? Actually, none of this happened. And that's what makes this attack so clever and so scary at the same time. So it is something called the oEmbed, and WordPress has this feature turned on by default. And basically, when you paste a link in WordPress, WordPress fetches the external site automatically, for example, a YouTube video or an X post that you embed. And WordPress stores the result in your database as an oEmbed hash, and that cached result gets displayed on your post. So what this attacker did was to embed a link to their website. WordPress fetched it automatically, stored the result in the database, and that result contained a hidden iframe pointing back to their website. No one logged into my website, no plugin was hacked, no comment was approved. WordPress did this itself. And so it can actually happen to you, or it can be happening at the moment, because WordPress was configured to trust and fetch external URLs. So the website looks completely normal. The admin panel looks completely normal. Even the plugin scan may miss it at this moment because WordPress itself stored the injection. So why does this actually matter? So my site's SEO authority gets stolen. Google could potentially blackmail my domain, and I become responsible for content I didn't create. I repeat that, I became responsible for content I didn't create, and I'm not even aware of it, that it's seated on my website. How did Novamira help me, and how did Claude help me to fix this? So I simply connected Novamira to Claude AI. I'll be leaving a link to Novamira. It's an affiliate link. If you use it to purchase Novamira Pro, I get a small commission, and that shows that you actually like the kind of content I'm creating. And of course, you support also the channel. So I asked Claude to scan the database. It returned the exact database rows containing the iframes and the exact post where the iframes were, and the date the post was last modified. The whole thing took like 20 minutes, and in a conversation that was basically in plain English. So this is not replacement for real expertise, but for people like me, for site owners who care about their websites, but they are not developers or security experts, It's genuinely something that relieves stress and solves a big problem. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want to try out Novamira, please don't try it on your production website. Make a staging copy of your website. Like in my case, I made a staging version on my Cloudways server. So I had 2 copies of my website, and everything I was working on was the staging version. And I connected this staging version to Novamira MCP. So with Cloudways, since they also now have an MCP, I can simply connect my Cloudways account via their MCP to Novamira and be able to interact with my server and the applications that are seated right there. Also, if you want to check out Cloudways, I have a 20% off coupon discount, and that also gives you 3 months of free trial. They're an amazing platform. I've been using them for over 7 years right now. So check them out if you want to test out their hosting services or simply to try out their new MCP. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments of this video. For those of you security experts, what are other website owners supposed to do? Because what I learned from Cloud is that we were supposed to actually block oEmbeds for WordPress websites. I didn't know that for the last 10 years, but I'm thinking many people are actually falling for this same issue right now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.